What's the meaning of Chinese leaves? Chinese leaves. Chinese leaves.
Chinese leaves. Chinese leaves. Chinese leaves is a common term used in British English to refer to a type of leafy vegetable that is commonly used in Chinese cuisine. The vegetable is also known as Napa cabbage or Chinese cabbage and has thick, crunchy leaves with a slightly sweet flavor. It can be eaten raw or cooked and is often used in stir-fries, soups, and salads. Chinese leaves are a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as potassium and calcium. They are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a healthy addition to any diet.